Are you looking for the portable clothes dryer? In this video we are looking 5 best portable clothes dryer. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Portable clothes dryer. Mini laundry dryers with remote control, small compact foldable electric drying machine with dry bag for travel, RV, home, apartment. Brand, Rollatwills. Form factor, freestanding. Access location, top load. Capacity, 33,024.5 cubic centimeters. Material, plastic or metal alloy steel. Portable design, this compact clothes dryer is perfect for small spaces such as apartments, RVs, and while traveling. Its foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use. Remote control operation, with a convenient remote control, you can easily start, stop, and adjust the settings of the dryer to suit your needs. Spacious capacity, despite its compact size, this dryer has a large capacity drum that can hold a significant amount of clothes, making it efficient and convenient to use. Durable construction, made of high-quality plastic or metal alloy steel, this dryer is built to last and withstand the rigors of regular use. UV hygiene technology, deep cleans your clothes with built-in LED UV for a more comfortable experience. Number 2. Automatic portable clothes dryer. Foldable vertical steam dryers, portable laundry dryer with remote, large capacity clothes drying rack. Remote controller operation, portable laundry dryer 0.5 4-hour adjustable timer, equipped with a practical remote controller, you can easily adjust from the comfort of your bed or sofa. Elderly individuals and children can also use it with ease, offering a smart and convenient operating experience. Removable heater, the removable heater design transforms into a cozy companion in cold season, infusing the room with warm comfort. When disassembled, the dryer becomes a practical storage cabinet, keeping your living space neat and organized. Large capacity, portable clothes dryer has a spacious internal measuring 20.7 by 14.8 by 51.6 in, which can hold approximately 10 items of clothing at a time. It is equipped with a sturdy aluminum-based alloy framework that provides stable support and prevents shaking during manipulation. Foldable design, when folded, clothes drying rack measures just 20.7 by 14.8 by 7.9 in, significantly reducing its footprint. Whether in a small apartment, a studio, or while traveling, it can be easily stored without taking up extra space. Number 3. MOJOCO portable clothes dryer. Mini/compact dryer for apartment, RV, travel, small quiet fast drying machine with adjustable timer and hassle-free setup. Brand, MOJOCO. Form factor, top load. Access location, top load. Capacity, 22 pounds. Color, warm white. Portable clothes dryer with fast drying technology, the MOJOCO portable clothes dryer is designed to revolutionize your laundry routine. It has an impressive capacity that holds up to 9 clothes at once. It has a unique drying system that uses a combination of heat and airflow to remove moisture from your clothes, allowing them to dry clothes as fast as 50 minutes rather than being air-dried or hung up. Portable dryer machine for convenient drying, this ultimate portable and foldable dryer brings efficiency and eases your drying needs. It's a great solution if you live in a small apartment or limited space for laundry, or if you go on vacation or camping trips. In addition, it is lightweight and easy to move around. This is a lifesaver for those who are always on the go or have a busy schedule. Deep cleansing with built-in LED UV, revitalize your garments with LED UV for impeccable cleanliness and purity. It is an innovative drying solution with built-in LED UV that brings impeccable cleanliness and purity to your clothes. Quiet functioning and timer functionality, no more noisy drying cycles that disrupt your peaceful environment. MOJOCO mini dryer machine has a built-in timer and whisper quiet functioning. With the timer feature, you can easily set the desired drying duration to suit your needs. You can enjoy a tranquil laundry experience without disturbing your surroundings. Number 4. Portable clothes dryer for apartment. RV and travel, Secadora de Ropa Portátil, mini dryer quickly dry light clothes, underwear, baby clothes, socks, and shoes. Brand, Samtang Fi. Form factor, cylinder. Access location, top load. Color, dark blue. Material, metal, plastic. Portable design, perfect for apartments, RVs, and travelers. The portable dryer is a compact, powerful solution for drying light clothes, underwear, and baby clothes. This mini machine features a timer function for precise control, ensuring your garments are dried efficiently without overuse. Large capacity, experience quicker drying times with the portable dryer's innovative dual-layer system. This clothes dryer evenly distributes heat across both layers. The Secadora de Ropa Portátil is designed with efficiency, saving time and energy while maintaining fabric integrity. Overheat protection, protect your clothes with the overheat protection system. The constant temperature drying feature guarantees gentle yet thorough drying, making it ideal for baby clothes, lingerie, and other sensitive items. Trust the mini dryer that prioritizes both speed and safety. Space saving, the portable dryer folds flat for effortless storage, fitting seamlessly into small apartments, dorms, or travel bags. This mini dryer weighs just 3.57 pounds, making it easy to carry and set up anywhere. With its easy-to-store design and Secadora de Ropa Portátil functionality. Laundry cost saving, this is a cost-effective solution for drying clothes. Whether you're living in a tiny home, camping, or traveling, this portable clothes dryer is your go-to solution. This mini dryer is ideal for quick touch-ups, drying wet clothes after rain, or freshening up laundry on the go. Number 5. Kiseely Clothes Dryer. Portable drying machine with timer, 60-inch laundry drying wardrobe with large capacity, electric dryer/rack for home. Large capacity dryer, all of our metal poles have been strengthened, the metal racks can hold up to 18 kilograms weight. Kiseely dryer uses flame retardant material and provide extra large capacity for cloth, towel, quilt, and so on. High output dryer with timer. Kiseely portable dryer uses high output drying machine, which can dry clothes faster than most of other portable dryers in the market. Timer function allows you to lever the dryer running without waste energy. Maximum efficiency and minimum noise. Experiment result shows our portable dryer consumes 30% less energy than normal dryer while drying clothes. It is time to save bills. We know machine noise can be annoying. Our portable dryer also makes much less noise than normal dryer, offering you a quiet environment. Best care and protection for clothes. Thanks to the hanger drying design, you don't need to worry clothes will get wrinkled while using our portable dryer for drying. Moreover, hang drying method is more hygienic and able to remove peculiar smell. After sales service, if you're not happy with our product, just feel free to return your order within 30 days. If you have any questions regarding our product, you can contact us anytime and we will give quick response. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.